Hi, it's Catherine with a quick and easy recipe for keto lemon chicken. So the preparation is quick. It's going to go in the oven for an hour, but like I said, quick and easy preparation, that's what it's all about. Stick it in the oven for an hour, go do something else, you're good to go. We're gonna begin. We wanna cook plenty so that there's leftovers. My family doesn't have to eat keto, but they certainly enjoy my lemon chicken. So I wanna make sure that there's enough so that they can have some, I can have some, and there's leftovers. And it's inexpensive too, just $2 a pound this week. So these are my chicken thighs, bone in, skin on. Remember, this is keto, so we keep the bone in and we keep the skin on. Chicken thighs, inexpensive. The preparation is so simple. I'm just going to butter the casserole. So I've got my glass casserole dish. I butter the bottom of it, helps with cleanup. You know, when you take your chicken out of the package, we're not supposed to wash it anymore, right? You just put it right in the pan and then it's going to cook, correct? And so the way we get it healthy and safe is that we cook it to a high enough temperature. So my oven is set at 350 degrees. It's going to cook for a full hour. Well cooked through, still going to be tender, still going to be juicy, but it's going to be well cooked. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Sprinkle the lemon juice over the chicken, very easy. And then to taste, I'm going to sprinkle the lemon just with my iodized sea salt. I still feel that we need to get our iodine from somewhere to, so our thyroid functions well. So yes, I do use an iodized sea salt. That is up to you. Sprinkle it liberally with the sea salt to taste, and then to finish, just a lovely lemon pepper. Sprinkle with the lemon pepper, la la la, and there you have it. It's going to have a nice look. So we're gonna put it in the oven, just like this. There it is. It's gonna cook for an hour. Now, if you want to, once it's cooked for an hour, you can raise the temperature to 400 or 450 and cook it for another 5 or 10 minutes till it browns a bit on the top. And this very often will give it a nice little bit of a crispy skin. Even though it's not battered or fried, you get a little crispiness on the skin if you do that last 5 or 10 minutes at 400 or 450. I give you a couple of temperatures and a couple of times because oven temperatures vary, and so you're gonna wanna keep an eye on it. I don't wanna go any hotter or it might scorch. So there it is, lemon chicken, once again, chicken thighs, butter the casserole, sprinkle with a tablespoon of lemon juice, sprinkle with sea salt, and then sprinkle with lemon pepper, put it in the oven, cook it for an hour at 350. Plenty of delicious chicken for you and your family, and maybe some leftovers too. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and then come back for more recipes and more workouts at sugarfreedom.com. Okay, going in the oven.